Hello everyone, and welcome to Lead Tracker Live. This video, I just wanted to give a brief introduction and overview to Lead Tracker Live and kind of what it is and what it's about. So a lot of you have been using the Lead Tracker spreadsheet. Some of you have been using it for years, and hopefully you've found it as a useful tool to keep track of your leads and really measure your progress. And so that's kind of what the spirit behind the Lead Tracker is, and the spirit behind Lead Tracker Live, and kind of why it's come about. The quote on the main page there, when performance is measured, performance improves. That's really what we've meant to do with Lead Tracker Live, is just give us a tool that's easy to use and that makes sense for us to track our leads, measure our performance, set goals, and get better as time goes on, month to month. So that's why Lead Tracker Live has come about. It's come about so that we can kind of move it out to a broader audience and something that's more user friendly and something that you can use on the go as a buyer is out in the field on appointments. So I'm just going to log in and give you guys a brief tour and kind of show you around. The first dashboard page is probably where you're going to spend a lot of your time. This is where you'll be inputting your data. This is where you'll input your leads and input your appointments. This is where you'll set your goals. You'll take a look at your statistics for the month and kind of see what you look like for the month, and then you'll also be able to compare your monthly statistics to last month's or last quarter's or last year's statistics and kind of measure yourself and see how you're doing as the month goes on. The leaderboard page is a page that shows us, how we compare to other franchisees, in the nation or across the country, in the state, or just in our own ad council. And this is just kind of a way to help motivate us, maybe make it a little fun or a little competitive for us when it comes to buying houses, so we can try to measure up, and shows us who's buying houses and who's doing well, and maybe prompt us to ask those guys questions as to why they're doing so well this month, so that we can kind of emulate and get better, is really what this whole thing's about. The reports page is going to be a similar page to the spreadsheet, where it allows you to view your numbers and kind of view what your statistics, but this will just let you pick a lot more specific time frame and view it by day or month, quarter, or year. You'll be able to pick any time frame you want from the beginning of when you started using Lead Tracker years ago to now, so that you can kind of see where you are all time. So this will be a useful tool for your business owners, your coordinators, to look and see how we're doing over a certain amount of time, and if we're meeting our goals or if we're not meeting our goals, and what we need to do to push ourselves and meet our goals. And then the analytics page is going to be the page that shows us the graphs. This is where we'll be able to take a look and see our progress on a day-to-day basis. Or day-to-day, month-to-month basis, quarterly, yearly. We'll be able to see in a graph, and I'll just show you a quick example here of what it looks like. Let's see. This graph is going to be similar to the ones used in the spreadsheet, but the difference here is you'll be able to layer different graphs on top of each other and use that as a way to, again, measure yourself. And then settings, you'll be able to upload your old spreadsheets, your old lead trackers, to put all the data into Lead Tracker Live, and to use it more effectively that way. We're excited for this tool. We've been working on it for a long time. We've always said to each other and within our franchise that when it's written, it's real. And that's pertaining to goals. When you write down your goals and it's something that you can look at every day, we really believe that makes it more real. So we really believe in this section here for setting goals for your franchise, and so a goal that's realistic, but makes you stretch and makes you push a little bit to reach, and isn't too easy for you. So Lead Tracker has had a huge impact on us and our franchise, and we've seen it have an impact on other franchises. So we've moved it to this online tool that we hope will be helpful and easy to use for everybody. We also ask, as this website's brand new, if there's any glitches that come about, please give us feedback. We're just here to make it better, and we built this tool for everyone to use and for everyone just to get better. This is simply just to help everyone get better and be the best franchise that we can. So thank you for participating. We appreciate it. Best of luck to you. Thank you.